it's like to think of things I've done and want to run and hide my head in shame. I know what it's like to really hurt someone and feel no sense of sorrow at their pain. But I know what it's like to have enough of my disgrace and find because of Jesus' blood my sin can be erased. He has forgiven me. My sin has been washed from His memory by the blood of the Lamb of Calvary. He has forgiven me. You know what it's like for God to be your friend, to talk to Him with nothing in between. Do you know what it's like when the day comes to an end, to sleep in peace because your heart is clean? Do you know what it's like when the accuser comes your way to look him squarely in the eye with confidence and say, He has forgiven